Hello students, welcome back to another session of GE 210, and today we will be discussing about Maha grapes. Okay, so Maha grapes stands for Maharashtra Grape Growers Association. Okay, so we'll see what Mahagrape does and how the brand Mahagrape is well known in the world, like from India, which all are the major importing countries or which are the major regions to which we export our Mahagrapes, the brand Maharashtra Grape Growers Association's grapes, which are the different varieties which will be marketed or which are exported, and who are the organizations who support Mahagrapes, and like all those things, what are the major functions, objectives of Mahagrapes, and all those things we will be discussing. Okay, so Mahagrapes was established by the year 1991 on January 19, and the headquarters is in Pune. Okay, so the major aim was to boost the export of grapes from Maharashtra. A cooperative partnership firm has been established, and that is termed as Mahagrapes, and that has been established in the year 1991 of January 19th with the help of Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board of Pune. So we have discussed about Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board in the last earlier classes, and what are the major objectives, what are the initiatives taken by Maharashtra State Agriculture Board have been discussed. So, in a combined partnership with Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board and the Maharashtra Grape Growers, they started a partnership, a kind of cooperative partnership organization or a kind of association, so that the export of grapes which are produced in the state of Maharashtra can be done. Okay, so other than the Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board of Pune, the Mahagrapes receive certain associations or certain collaborations from National Cooperative Development Corporation, that is NCDC, and the Government of Maharashtra and the Department of Cooperation, because it is a cooperative association or a cooperative society. Then also from, as we said, the Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board. Then from APEDA, because the Mahagrapes deals with exporting of the grapes which are grown in Maharashtra. Okay, so these are the supporting agencies or supporting organizations or helping hands of grapes. And grapes, you have to remember, it is a cooperative association or a cooperative partnership along with the help of Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board. Okay, so till the date of establishment of Mahagrapes, there were many difficulties faced by the grape growers of Maharashtra, because they were not able to find a proper market, proper exporting facilities, and good storage facilities, grading, standardization, and also to receive good like worth or good value for the produce. So after the establishment of Mahagrapes, till today, we have 16 grape growing as cooperative societies spread across the state of Maharashtra, and those Mahagrapes, like they are from Solapur, Latur, Pune, Nashik, all these areas. Okay, and the major objective or the prime objective of Mahagrape is to boost export of grapes, for which facilitate like pre-cooling, cold storages has been erected at each grape grower cooperative society, because grape is a very perishable kind of crop, as you know. Yeah, so to get a good value in the export, the quality, the grading, the standard, all those things should also will matter. We know all those things. So to get a good price for the produce, the growers should be availed with certain services like pre-cooling and grading or storage of all those things. So this cooperative society aims at giving a better value to the grape growers by way of not only by boosting the export, they also support in the pre-cooling activities or the pre-activities which are done before exporting. So boost, like their major aim if at all it is to boost the export, and so that the farmers income will be increased or the farmer will be benefited. At the same time, for this betterment, what they are doing is they are also helping in pre-cooling, cold storage and all those activities of the all the cooperative societies in Maharashtra. And due to the hard work or the like kind of very strict hard work of Mahagrape, the export of Mahagrapes or the Maharashtra State Agriculture Association's grapes is well established, and it is having a high demand in the European and Middle East countries. Okay, most of the Middle East countries and the European countries, whether it's Holland or like whichever way the country, they demand our produce at first because of the quality, because of the variety which we use, and the price, the like all those things are affecting. So due to a continuous hard work of Mahagrape, now at the international market our Mahagrapes is having a good demand. And we'll see what are the major objectives. Yeah, the first one is always cooperative society's major aim is to uplift the farmer community or the members of the organization. So just like that, since it is a cooperative association, the cooperatives are voluntarily united together for the common goal or for the members goal. So here also their upliftment of the member community is the first objective. Second, growth of cooperative movement of for grape export. Okay, so the second is the growth and development of Mahagrapes and the cooperative association. Next, to encourage and develop grape export, to encourage and develop the grape export or boosting the export of grapes. Next, maximize the foreign exchange earnings through export activity. As I said, the major aim is to boost the export so that the foreign income or foreign money will be flowing into our nation. Update the farmers on the latest technologies on farming. Next, acceptance of global challenge with the commitment to the quality of grape. So these are the major objectives of Mahagrapes. And now we'll see what are the major functions performed by Mahagrapes. They source and develop a worldwide market. They collect the information about the worldwide marketing scenario in regards to grapes, and they provide this information to the farmers. Also provide quality control in post harvest activities, because as we know the fruits and the particularly grape is like it have certain time at which it have to be harvested, the pre-cooling, cold storage and drying, all those things. If it have to be sold in a fresh form, the cooling activities, if it have to be made transformed into other forms like resins and all, the drying, all those things, there are many activity to be done, and at each stage the quality cannot be compromised. So the quality control also have to be checked into. Also provide extension services to the members of cooperative society for production of export production, and also for the export related activities. So extension services like promotional help will be given, other consultancy services will be given, transfer of informations will be given. At the same time, any financial and other supports if required, that will be also delivered. Next, supply and supervise brand packaging, because since we aim to get an international market or conquer the international market, the quality cannot be like, we cannot compromise on the quality. So the brand packaging is a foremost important thing, in which the brand image, the brand packaging, all those things are also influencing the customers purchasing. So to attract the purchaser, and by maintaining the quality and all those things, they help in supplying and supervision of branded packaging. The well established good packaging materials will be provided. Also provide logistical supports are provided. Provide advance payment to farmers for their produce, like for example if they are in certain distress condition, so kind of financial supports will be also provided. Certain logistical supports for the transportation, pre-cooling and cold storage, that will be also provided. So these are the major helps or the functions that are delivered by Mahagrapes to the farmers or the members of the cooperative society. So here in this table you can see a kind of brief idea about the Maharashtra's grape export or the brand Mahagrapes exporting activities. Okay, so we'll see what are the major varieties grown in Maharashtra, that is Thompson seedless, Sarda seedless, Flame seedless, Tasa Ganesh, Sonika, Manik, Chaman, and all those things. But which are the major, and availability is from December to April. And as I said, the major exporting countries are like Middle East, all the Middle Eastern countries, because they are a super big what do you call, I mean, market area for the dry fruits and all. There is a high demand for the dry fruits, and the Middle East is a place where all the people from like across the globe come and unite, like Dubai and all those things. Dubai, what do you call, the Saudi Arabia, all these areas, they in return they give us the dates and all those in khajur. So they like there is a kind of exchange kind of exporting happens in between Middle East and India. And the major exporters are Middle East, UK, Holland, Germany. All these are the major markets of India or the major markets of Mahagrapes. And the varieties which are in demand are Thompson seedless, Emperor, Ruby seedless, Red Globe, Christmas Rose, Crimson seedless. All these there are many which are in demand, and one among them is Thompson seedless, which is a major variety which is grown in our country. And regarding the export specification, what are the major specifications to be maintained, all these things are explained here. So now I have a work for you all. The thing is, now what you have to do is you have to go and check the Mahagrapes website and see what are the exporting specifications right now, what are the specifications maintained, which are the major varieties, at what quantity they are exported, what are the demand from each country, what are the per year demand, what is the quantity which are produced in India in an year, and what is the value received, and all those things, what are the total area or the total cropping area in Maharashtra. So all these things have to be identified and have to be written, and a documented report have to be submitted, which is as your practical work. Okay, so by this we will conclude our session on Mahagrapes, and thank you all.